In this video, I'll show you how to add page numbers to your Google document starting from a specific page. So here we have our Word document, and let's say we want to add page numbers to this document. Now, because we have a contents page, we may not want the page numbers to start right at the beginning here. And instead, maybe you wanted the page numbers to start on page 3 or page 4. So how you do this is move your mouse cursor to the page where you want the numbers to start. So I'm just going to go ahead and move my mouse cursor to page 3, like so. Then from the top navigation, click on Insert, come down to Break, and then select Section Break Next Page. Now this will place your content on the next page, so you'll just need to use the backspace arrow to move it back up one. So I just had to backspace a couple of times to move that back up to here. Then with your mouse cursor still on the place where you want to start the page numbers, you then need to come up to Insert, come down to Page Numbers, and then select the style of numbering that you want for your document. For me, I want them on the top right-hand side, so I'm going to select this. Make sure to uncheck this Link to Previous box. Click on Options, click on Page Numbers. Make sure you've selected Start at 1 in this box here, and then press Apply. So you can see now that my page number here starts at 1, and then if I scroll down, it goes over to 2. However, if we go back up to the previous section, you can see we also have some page numbers up here. So all you need to do to get rid of these is simply double click on it like so, and then we're just going to use the backspace to delete these two here, and that will automatically delete the first one as well. So that's it, guys. That's how you add page numbers starting from a specific page. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.